site can't be reached. Oh my god! Don't worry, as vague as that may sound, the fixes for it are very simple and straightforward. Welcome to our channel. Our team has built multiple successful plugins, and here we help you find your website's mojo by sharing weekly videos to fix issues and improve performance. So let's get started. Chapter 1. What is this site unreachable error? Like we said, it is pretty vague and all it says is that the site is unreachable. However, clues may lie in the error codes it comes with. For example, codes like these. If you're getting this code, I will attach a link below to a video on how to fix this error. For the other errors, follow along. Now, on to the 5 fixes. Chapter 2. 5 easy fixes. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Yes, it may sound silly, but this could very well be the case where your internet may be disconnected or too slow. So restart your modem and check if it works. Fix 2. Clear your browser cache. It may vary depending on your browser. Simply go to the settings of the browser you're using. For tutorial purposes, we will show you how to do it in Chrome. Step 1. Click on Settings. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security. Step 3. Select Clear Browsing Data and hit Clear Data. Step 4. Check if the site works. Fix 3. Flush DNS cache. Your DNS cache is similar to your browser cache, except it stores IPs. However, it also leads to errors if your cache contains outdated information. Flushing your DNS cache is a lot simpler than it sounds. First, I will show you how to flush your DNS on Chrome, then on Windows, and then on Mac. How to flush DNS cache for Google Chrome. Google Chrome has a separate DNS cache from the operating system, so flushing it may fix our DNS error. To do so, enter the following into your Chrome address bar, then click Clear Host Cache. Now go ahead and check if the DNS error is gone. If not, move on to the next step. Number 2. How to flush DNS cache for Windows. To flush the DNS cache on Windows, follow this step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. On the Start menu, search for the command prompt, then right-click to select the Run as Administrator option. Step 2. Once a new window appears, type in the following commands below, then hit Enter. Step 3. Open the browser to check if the error still continues. Number 3. How to flush DNS cache for macOS. Step 1. Open the terminal application and enter the following commands. Then press the return key. Step 2. Insert your password and press the return again. Step 3. Now open the browser and check if the error is still there. Fix 4. Change your DNS server. If clearing the cache does not work, then consider changing the DNS servers. First, we will see how to do it on Windows and then on Mac. Number 1. How to change DNS servers in Windows. Step 1. Open the control panel. Then go to Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. Step 2. On the left side of the window, click Change Adapter Settings. Step 3. Right-click on the current connection and choose Properties. Step 4. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, which is TCP IPv4, or Internet Protocol version 6, which is TCP IPv6, and press the Properties button. Step 5. At the bottom of the window, select Use the following DNS server addresses and insert the following numbers below. Step 6. Once you're done, click OK to save the changes. Restart your browser and see if the method resolves the Chrome error. Number 2. How to change the DNS servers in macOS. Step 1. Open your system preferences and then go to Network. Step 2. Pick your current local area connection. Now hit the Advanced button. Step 3. Navigate to the DNS tab. Now press the plus button and type in the new IPv4 or IPv6 DNS servers. Type in each address one by one and then press OK. Step 4. Open the browser to see if the error code has disappeared. Number 5. Release or renew your IP address. Once again, we will start with the Windows and then proceed with how to achieve this on Mac. Number 1. How to release and renew IP addresses in Windows. Step 1. Just like with the previous method, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Insert the following commands and press Enter between each one. Step 3. Enter the following commands to reset your previous IP settings. Doing this can also prevent potential errors due to malicious scripts from downloaded files. Step 4. Once done, Close the command prompt and restart the computer. Then open the browser to see whether the DNS error is still there. Number 2. How to release and renew IP address in macOS. Unlike with Windows, macOS users do not need to open a command line interface to release and renew the IP addresses. So follow these steps, which is Step 1. Go to System Preferences and then Network. Step 2. Select your current internet connection and click on the Advanced button. Step 3. Navigate to the TCP/IP tab and click Renew DHCP lease. Press OK. Step 4. Restart the computer and check if the error message still persists. Now, you should be able to reach any site you want. Here are 2 more videos that can be very helpful for you. If you're stuck anywhere, comment down below and we'll help you out. Press the like button if you liked this video, hit subscribe, and I'll be able to help you. It really makes our team happy. That's it for this video. I'm Roshali signing off and see you next week.